Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. Today I'm going to show you guys this makeup look. This is my everyday shoot makeup look. So I am starting with this Dior primer. I got it as a trial with my Sephora pack and आजकल मैं ये as a primer base use कर रही हूँ. This is the perfect high-end base that one requires. Then I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation in the shade 2 neutral, and this foundation is beautiful. It's buildable. That's what makes this special. It has melted into my skin, and I really have enjoyed wearing it throughout the day. I literally wore it full day after I completed my shoot, and it looked oh so good. Now that I've done using the brush, I'm going to take the makeup sponge and just blend away if there are any lines, and this will make my base very smooth and drool worthy. Trust me when I say that. Let's trust the process and look at what a flawless base this has become. It's beautiful, commendable. Like, I love it. What do you guys think about this foundation? Let me know in the comment section. Now I'm using this Too Faced mascara in the brown shade, and look at how it works on my eyelashes. It makes them look super lengthened and adds that perfect volume to it. I'm in love with this brown mascara. I think I've used and abused it again and again. Now I'm using the same leftover product to tame my brows and give them a very nice prim and proper look. I think I really like how they look now. I'm using the MAC Correct and Conceal palette, Pro Correct and Conceal palette, and using the yellow color to, highlight the under eyes. Now we are just going to blend it into our skin to give it that flawless, perfect under eye look, and just patting it in to my skin with this concealer brush that I got from Makeup Forever. The brush works really well. It has a dense bristle, so it puts the concealer in the right place and in the right quantity. Now I'm taking this beauty blender and blending it into my skin and just dabbing and pressing it into my skin, not literally dragging it, but just pressing it. Look at how flawless it looks. To remove the yellow effect, I am going to use this Huda Beauty baking powder in the shade Pound Cake. I am just going to take it on my powder puff and going to put it and let it work its magic. And now what we are going to do is we are going to put a little bit of it all over my face so that the makeup doesn't budge because of the extreme heat and the summer condition. Now I'm taking the newly launched Simply Nam tint, and I'm applying it on my cheek area and on my lips and giving them that rosy pink texture that I always look for in a blush or in a tint. Look at how flawless it looks. It just blends beautifully in the skin, and I think this is just beyond beautiful, and it gives that perfect pink flush effect. It has made my face look oh so fresh in this scorching heat, which is what one wants. I am just going to apply this lip tint on my lips as well. Look at that pinkiness, guys. Look at how beautiful my lips look with this flushed pink look. I think it's just gorgeous, and I love the way Simply Nam has been doing their products. I think it has worked its magic, and here is the final look. I think I am in love with how my face looks, and you can see it just looks beyond perfect, and the makeup doesn't budge, it doesn't melt even in this extreme heat. So I think it works just perfectly for all my shoot days, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this with your friends, comment, and of course, subscribe. You can also follow us on all our social media channels across platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and of course Pinterest. Please, please, please keep showing us your love, and I will see you very, very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye. Take care.